Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by the March Birthstone, which is Aquamarine. I really like this look. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So first, I'm going to be taking this Seafoam Green from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Then I'm going to be taking this bright blue in the Morphe palette. Then I'm going to be taking this shade, focus this on my outer V. Now I'm taking that same Seafoam green color that I took in the beginning and putting it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this same bright blue and put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to be taking the shade Splash from the Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette. Now I'm gonna go do my lashes real quick off of camera and I'll be right back. Blush, I'm gonna be taking Angelic from the Tarte Blush Bazaar palette. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit and mixing marshmallow and butterscotch. Now I'm putting some of marshmallow in my inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm going to be taking the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Lust. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys.
Comb my hair for the first time.
Combed your hair for the first time?
Yeah.